Sorry, trying to work two phones at once. Chief Prepper here. So I got an app on my phone for a sound meter. I'm doing a video now because I got all 3 generators running, and I'm going to show you the screen as I walk towards the shed. At a later date, I'm going to use some material, and then I'm going to redo the video to show you the difference in sound, and then talk to you about what I did. All right, so here we go. Alright, so that's running about 90 decibels, which is pretty loud. Once I get done with what I'm going to do at some point in the future, I'll do another video, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about to try and reduce the noise that's going to come out of there. The other thing I can do is shut the door, but then it will be really hot during the summertime, so that really doesn't work too well. So anyway, thought I'd show you guys. Chief Prepper out. Knowledge and power. Information.